The objective of this lab is to perform network discovery and scanning using ping and Nmap, so we can identify active hosts and understand how host discovery works. First, log into your Windows machine. Click on the Type Here to search box, search for CMD, and click Command Prompt from the results. Type ipconfig and press Enter to check the IP address. Remember the IP address of the Windows machine. In this case, it is 10.10.1.12. Now I'm going to switch to my Kali machine. Let me just log in. Click the terminal emulator icon at the top of the desktop to launch the terminal. Maximize the terminal window. By default, you're logged in as the Kali user. To switch to root user, type sudo su and press Enter. When prompted, type the password. You are now logged in as the root user. Type ifconfig and press Enter to check the IP address of the Kali machine. In this case, it shows 10.10.1.13. Press Ctrl and L to clear the terminal screen, then type ping 10.10.1.12 and press Enter. You'll see replies coming back, which tells us the target host is active. Press Ctrl and C to stop the ping. Here, 10.10.1.12 is the target machine, which is the Windows 10 system. Now type nmap -P n 10.10.1.12 and press Enter. Observe the Nmap results displayed. The -pn option means no ping. It treats the host as online and skips the host discovery phase. Type nmap -sn 10.10.1.12 and press Enter. Observe that the output shows the host is up. The -sn option performs a ping scan only. It checks whether the host is alive but does not scan any ports. This concludes the demonstration of evaluating network scanning, Nmap Host Discovery on Windows and Kali. In this short exercise, we learned how to use ping and nmap for host discovery, including the pn and the sn options, to identify whether a system is active on the network. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm CyberEd, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.